Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make your LinkedIn profile stand out. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first of all, let's go ahead and access our LinkedIn app and go to this home section, and now tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Go ahead, go to settings icon, and here in this section what I would recommend you can go to account preferences and basically go ahead profile information, go ahead tap on it, and now you can see here in this section we have added our name. Make sure you have always clarified your positions, and if you have a direct link to your website or the works that you have created or are available for people to look up to, make sure to add that link in your profile as well. Tap on this pencil icon. Now you can add the links, and then if you go below, make sure that your activities are professional, that you're not sharing anything. You're sharing other things that shows how intellectual you are regarding any of other area that you would like to proceed in your life. And the other would be simply adding about you, exactly the qualities that you have been putting into the society while the work. So it can be really professional looking, so people can come and really be excited to work with you or to hear from you. And the other thing, experience. Make sure to list all of the experiences, small or big, you have added over there, because that actually shows how a person has been growing up and what have they learned so far. Other would be education. Make sure to add that to certify as well, that yes, by the law as well I'm certified, and here the license and certification you have earned them. Make sure to add all of them. That also shows how qualified you are. Other would be skills. Make sure to always enter your skills, because that is the way people can have the diversity that is in you, so that they can see the multi skills that you have for them. And make sure to add endorsements as well in your skills. So these are the most I would like for you to look out for, and that would be it, guys. So thank you, hope this video was helpful to you all, and yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video.